Okay. I'm putting in a negative 13 decibel with the gain on my microphone turned up. Just to see if it can block out extra noise. Like the fan and shit. Oh, fuck. Yes, little pixel. My little baby kitty cat angel princess. You can't come up here. I'm playing video game. It's very important. I promise. Well, am I coming in like... Oh, someone just left. Oh, fucking plays in. Dude, I'm fucking tired. Holy shit. I saw that fucking weed,
Mission
bro.
readiness protocols engaged. I'm good to go.
Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang.
Maybe one day we'll go on missions in Hawaii.
No. Never. We don't have the budget for that.
Power means nothing if you do not put it to use.
What? I can hide here, bro.
5, 4, 3.
Just fucking kick the shit out of someone in the back of their head.
Attackers incoming. Stop the payload.
Behold once more.
I might post this to YouTube because I noticed when I upload shit to YouTube, it sounds different than when I watch it back.
Harmony is within your grasp.
How did that Genji not die? Oh shit. It's like in the cinematic when Mandada got his shit fucking clappeted.
True strength does not always lie in victory.
I am exhausted. It's only 8:47. I feel old, bro.
The odds are against us.
This does not bode well for you.
Yo, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo, get kicked, bro. Fuck. Ah. Oh, you sneaky turtle bitch. Oh.
Helping you out.
One who fears loss has already lost.
Yup. I heard Gandhi say that shit before.
I greet you.
Feeling
Peace
fortified.
be upon you. Harmony follows you.
Nanoboost administered.
Doom approaching.
Fuck you. I heard those stilettos quickly clacking him, bro.
Find solace. Mastery cannot be concealed.
Oh, fuck. I couldn't cancel it to healer. Fuck, man.
Source of all suffering.
Oh.
Defeat is the better teacher. Hello.
There's this. Come here, Toasty.
What's this song playing? This is Star Wars? Is this so loud? Someone just lo-fied
Is
Star Wars?
acceptable. Giving up is not.
Disney better not come for me, bro.
I greet you.
shit. Oh, I thought I was about to get run up and done up.
Engaging enemy combatant.
Oh, did I need to do this? No. But I did it anyways. No. Alright, cool.
Taken out.
Yeah, we're kind of rolling right now in this quick play game. Quick play.
30 seconds.
And we're back.
The fighting is almost over.
You are not alone.
The dragon comes.
10 seconds.
Oh, fuck. I needed one more in my melee to go off. I would have cleaned them. Not a bad performance. I wish Zen was... I wish I could play Zen all the time. Fucking love Zenyatta.
Play.
Hey yo, don't see it often, but when you do, it's something special, baby. Pop up. Wow, absolutely amazing. Alright, I'm just gonna post this, see how the audio sounds. If anyone's watching this, you don't have to watch it. Please don't watch it, actually. This is just, yeah. It's literally just an audio test, which I've done like 7 of now. But they sound different when you upload them from when you watch them back like in a video player. But yeah, if you're watching this, stop. Bye bye.